Good morning, everyone. This is Linda, and I hope you're having a beautiful day. The sun is shining. It have a nice, cool breeze going on, and it's amazing feeling here. I hope you're having beautiful weather also. I hope so. But listen, guys, in today's video, I want to share with you how I make Jamaican sorrel. We're going to harvest some of my Jamaican sorrel back there, and we're gonna go in my kitchen, okay? But first, if you are not subscribed to the channel, hit the subscribe button. I will be sharing my Zone 9 garden. Yay! 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 Let's get on with the video. Family, so this is what I've harvested so far from my Jamaican sorrel plants. There they are. And now I'm going to take them all off the stems. Just like that. Yay. Yeah. Now I want to share with you all the plants in my container. You will see how they were growing. Okay. All right. So get behind them, right? So they're in a 17-gallon container, and they are up against this fence. I have this wicker fencing, but anyway, there were 1, 2, 3, 4 plants in here. But look at this one. This one is, those two are huge. But, yeah. And they still have a... I'm going to do another harvest because... I'm going to do another harvest because let me show you this, okay? So over here, I have 2 plants growing here. That is just 2 plants. That's all it is, 2 plants. Now, these 2 plants are for seeds only. I just want them for seeds. I'm not going to try to harvest it and make drink. It's just for the seeds. That's just the way I do. All right. So now I'm just going to sit here in my beautiful, beautiful garden in this wonderful weather God has blessed me with here today, and I'm just going to take these off. Some of them are huge, and that is so cool. Now, wait a minute, y'all. What I did with my scissors. So check it out. So this is the part that you use for the drink. You peel this off. Well, I do. Now, some people have the little fancy tool where you go in and you pluck this out, because inside of this, I'm sorry, inside of this is the seeds, right? So I just take this off just like that, and I leave that for seeds, and this is what you make your juice from, the outside, right? Now, one year I had so many Jamaican sorrel. What I did was I cleaned them and peeled them, and I dehydrated them. And I think about a month ago, I drank the last of my dehydrated Jamaican sorrel that I grew in my garden. Wait, you could dehydrate this, right? That's what I did. So I don't know if you've seen that. I just take it off just like that. And as I say, there's a tool you could get that will just take this whole middle part out. You know, I don't have that. But anyway, that's where your seeds are. And this is what you make the juice with. Right? All right. I'll share it with you all. So I have been peeling away, y'all. I've been peeling away. Look at my little fingers. It's I should have had, I had on some gloves, but I didn't. I have some latex gloves, but I didn't do it. But I wanted to just share where the seeds are. I had one that I broke. Now listen, y'all. I'm not an expert at making Jamaican sorrel drink. I'm not Jamaican, baby. But this is just my way. Now these are the seeds. This is where the seeds are in the sorrel. That's the top of it. This is the bottom. I'm gonna just let it dry. But yeah, you know, everybody have their own way of making their Jamaican sorrel, right? Jamaicans have their way of making it, and everybody else have their way. But this is just my way, okay? So this is just the way I do it. Yeah. That means you just have many options to choose from to make your drink. That's what it means. Yeah. So let me gather up some mints and all this goody stuff I got. All right. So I have spearmint, peppermint, chocolate mint, and lemon balm, lemongrass, ginger. I got a piece of turmeric leaf. I have some Jamaican sorrel leaf. I have lemons and limes and orange leaves also. Now, I'm going to put oranges and lemons in here also. But it's time to go inside now. All right, guys. I'll see y'all in the house. Hey family, so I have a pot here and it has water and I'm waiting for it to start to boil. As you can see, she almost there, but not yet. So I'm just waiting for it to boil for my next step. Guys, so that's where we at. So I'm gonna put mints and ginger and lemongrass. Ouch. Oh boy. And what is that? Lemongrass. That is some of the leaves from the Jamaican sorrel, the lemon tree, the lime tree. Yeah. All of them. And wait a minute now. And this is my Jamaican sorrel, all fresh and clean, like a butter bean. And I have orange, lemon, and lime. Now, I know like Jamaicans, they put in these allspice. When you're doing that though, I'm not doing that. But anyway, give me 1 second. I wanted to go and get more lemongrass, but I didn't, so this is just my dehydrated lemongrass. So I'm gonna let this come back up to a boil, and then I'm gonna cover it up and I'm gonna let it sit overnight. So I'm gonna let it come back up to a boil again, and then I'm gonna let it sit overnight. Yeah, that's the way she look right now. All right, guys. See, look at her. She bubbling. All right, family. So this is it. That's the fire is on, and now I'm gonna just turn it off. I'm gonna cover it up, and I'm gonna let it sit for overnight. I'll see y'all in the morning. All right. All right, family. So there is the Jamaican sorrel this morning. That's the way it looked. It steeped overnight. So now I'm going to strain it, and I'm going to make me a glass. Yeah. All right. I'll be back. All right, family. There it is. That's my Jamaican sorrel drink. That's her. Yay! So let me share what else I have. So that's the entire, I'm sorry, that's the entire mount I made. And it's a big jar, yeah. But anyway, this is it. So let me give her a little tasty taste, right? I haven't tasted yet at all. Yay. Yeah. Yeah, man. It's very good. It's very good. I love it. The great thing too is though, it is wonderful, wonderful with spirits. So maybe later on today when Jody come down, we'll put a little spirit in it and see how it goes. But anyway, guys, I hope you all enjoyed the video. Yeah, I hope you all have a beautiful, beautiful, I think today is Friday. Have a wonderful Friday, lady.